When we talk about money, we often hear how important it is to save. Save for a rainy day, they say, or build an emergency fund. For most people, saving money feels like the smartest thing to do. But have you ever wondered if it's possible to save too much? This might sound odd. After all, saving helps us feel secure and prepared. But what if, by focusing too much on saving, we're missing out on other important parts of life? Imagine someone who skips every vacation, avoids dining out, and worries about every dollar spent, even when they have enough. Is this really the best way to live? In this video, we'll explore the idea that, while saving is essential, there is such a thing as oversaving. Let's find out how to strike the right balance between saving wisely and enjoying life along the way. Number 1. Understanding the psychology of oversaving. Why do some people save more than they need to? The answer often lies in our psychology, the way our minds think about money and security. For many, saving money provides a sense of safety. They might have grown up in a home where money was tight, or they could be afraid of financial emergencies. This fear can lead to what experts call scarcity mindset, where we worry there will never be enough. To feel safe, people in this mindset may save more than necessary just to be sure they're covered. Others fall into the trap of hyper-frugality, which is the habit of cutting costs at all times, even when they can afford more. Social media and online advice often push this frugal lifestyle, making some feel guilty about any spending that isn't absolutely necessary. For people with this mindset, saving becomes a habit that's hard to break. They may even feel anxious when spending money on things they enjoy, like a nice meal or a trip. But by focusing too much on saving, they miss out on experiences and happiness in the present. Number 2. Signs you might be saving too much. How can you tell if you're saving too much? Here are some signs that your saving habits might be going a bit too far. One common sign is if you're constantly sacrificing things that make life enjoyable or meaningful. Maybe you avoid going out with friends, taking vacations, or spending on hobbies because you feel guilty about the expense. While cutting back occasionally is smart, missing out on experiences that bring joy can be a red flag that you're over-prioritizing saving. Another sign is if spending on even basic things like buying new clothes or treating yourself to a small reward makes you anxious. You might feel guilty for spending on yourself, even when it's something necessary or reasonable. If every expense feels like a setback, it might be a sign you're putting too much emphasis on saving. Oversaving can also affect relationships. For instance, if friends invite you to events and you skip them to save money, it could lead to feelings of isolation or guilt. Similarly, if you find yourself refusing to invest in things that could bring growth, like learning a new skill or investing in your health, you might be too focused on saving. Finally, if your fear of spending is stopping you from investing, you could be missing out on potential financial growth. Not taking any risk with your money often means it won't grow as much, and inflation can even make your savings lose value over time. If these signs sound familiar, it may be time to rethink your saving habits. Number 3. The balance. Saving versus spending wisely. Finding a balance between saving and spending can feel tricky, but it's essential for a healthy, enjoyable financial life. Saving money is important, yet so is spending on things that bring happiness, growth, and value to your life. Striking this balance helps ensure that you're financially secure while also enjoying the present. One helpful way to think about money is to see it as a tool. It's there to help you live a stable, enjoyable, and meaningful life. To use this tool well, try dividing your income into 3 main categories: essentials, savings, and enjoyment. Essentials cover needs like rent, bills, and groceries. Savings could include building an emergency fund or setting money aside for retirement. And enjoyment is for things that bring you happiness, like dining out, hobbies, or occasional treats. Many people find the 50/30/20 rule helpful. In this method, 50% of your income goes to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings or investments. This structure allows you to save consistently while also allowing room for spending on things that make life enjoyable. But remember, you can adjust these numbers to fit your goals and lifestyle. If you're already saving enough for your goals, it's okay to spend a bit more on things you enjoy. Value-based spending is another good approach. It means spending money on things that genuinely add value to your life. For example, if traveling brings you joy and memorable experiences, setting aside funds for a trip might be a better choice than saving it all. Or, if a new skill or hobby excites you, consider investing in it. This way, you're spending intentionally, not just for the sake of saving. The goal is to avoid extremes. Saving too much can lead to stress and missed opportunities, while overspending can lead to debt and financial worry. Finding your balance allows you to enjoy today without compromising your future. Number 4. The financial risks of oversaving. Saving money feels safe, but oversaving can lead to financial risks that many people don't realize. When you save too much without putting some of that money to work, you might actually lose money in the long run.
Here's how.
First, by keeping too much in cash or a low-interest savings account, you miss out on potential investment growth. Investing allows your money to grow over time, thanks to interest and returns. For example, if you save all your extra money instead of investing, you might miss out on the gains that stocks or bonds can provide. This means that while your money feels safe, it's not growing to its potential. Another risk is inflation. Inflation is when the cost of goods and services rises over time. If your money just sits in a bank without earning interest, it loses value as inflation increases. In other words, what you can buy with that money today may cost more in the future, and your cash won't stretch as far. Lastly, oversaving can mean missing out on tax benefits. Many retirement accounts, like a 401k or IRA, come with tax advantages that can help you save more in the long term. By not contributing to these accounts, you could be missing valuable benefits. While saving is important, not putting your money to work through smart investments and retirement funds can cost you more than you think. Number 5. Alternatives to excessive saving. Where to allocate extra funds. If you find yourself saving more than necessary, there are smarter ways to use that extra money that can benefit you in the long run. Here are some alternatives that not only help your financial health, but also bring value and joy to your life. One of the best ways to grow your money is through investing. Investing doesn't have to mean high-risk stocks. There are low-risk options like index funds, bonds, or mutual funds that can help your money grow steadily over time. Investing allows your money to earn returns, which is something a basic savings account can't do. Even a small amount invested regularly can build wealth over the years, thanks to compound interest. Retirement accounts are another great place for extra funds. Accounts like a 401k or an IRA offer tax advantages, which means you're saving money on taxes while also preparing for your future. If your employer matches contributions to a 401k, take full advantage of this free money by contributing at least enough to get the full match. It's one of the easiest ways to grow your retirement savings. Consider using extra money to invest in yourself. This could mean taking a course to learn a new skill, buying books that improve your knowledge, or attending workshops in your field. These investments in education can lead to higher income opportunities in the future and keep you engaged in personal growth. Spending on experiences can also be valuable. Studies show that experiences, like travel, hobbies, and special outings, often bring more happiness than material things. If there's a trip you've always wanted to take or a hobby you're passionate about, setting aside funds for these experiences can create memories and enrich your life. Another option is giving back. Donating to a cause you care about or supporting local charities can bring a sense of purpose and satisfaction. Even a small donation can make a difference and provide a rewarding way to use your extra money. Using your money in these ways can lead to a more balanced life, where you're both financially secure and personally fulfilled. Instead of oversaving, think about spreading your resources to grow your wealth, enjoy life, and give back. Number 6. How to know your ideal saving rate. Finding the right amount to save can feel tricky, but knowing your ideal saving rate can help you balance security and enjoyment. While everyone's situation is different, a common rule of thumb is to save around 15 to 20% of your income. This percentage can provide a good safety net for future needs, like retirement or emergencies, without cutting too much from your present spending. However, it's important to personalize this goal. Start by thinking about your financial goals. Do you want to retire early? Buy a home? Save for education? These goals may require you to adjust your saving rate up or down. If your goals are bigger or you have high expenses, you might aim to save a bit more. If you're already on track for retirement and have an emergency fund, you could focus more on enjoying or investing your money. Using online retirement or savings calculators can help you estimate how much you'll need in the future. By entering your income, expenses, and retirement goals, these tools show you how much to save each month. And if you're still unsure, consider talking to a financial advisor. They can provide personalized guidance based on your specific needs and future plans. Finding your ideal saving rate lets you prepare for the future without sacrificing happiness today. Saving money is essential, but true financial health is more than just a growing savings account. It's about finding a balance between being prepared for the future and enjoying life today. While saving gives us security, spending wisely on experiences, personal growth, and even small joys adds richness to our lives. Financial health means using money to support both our long-term goals and our daily happiness. By focusing on a balanced approach, we can feel financially secure while also living a fulfilling and meaningful life now. Now, if you want to learn how to achieve financial success, then watch this video next. If you made it to this point in the video, please like and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.